Hello, today I'm going to show you a quick tour of the OneNote class notebook from a student point of view. I'm open in OneNote 2016 version today. If you want to open it up in that version, Miss Forster did email out how to do that. And if you are already open in the other version of OneNote and want to change over, then send through an email to your teachers. They've had a video sent through to them that they can pass on to you. Let's have a look around. So this is the Year 11 Essential Mathematics notebook. At the start here, you'll just open up onto a welcome page with a little bit of information about OneNote, or your teacher might have personalised it for your class and it might have some instructions on where to find information in your class's specific OneNote. Across the top up here, we have some different tabs. So we have a collaboration space, we have a content library, and this last one will actually have your name. They're your pages. Let's start with the collaboration space. So this area is a space where you can come in and you can work on group work. So you are able to create pages in here to work with your friends, and it merges them. So if you've got an idea or you want to brainstorm something, you could create a page in here and you could start working on that. In this instance, your teachers have set up separate tabs for each class, so you would just need to make sure that you're in the right class. To return, we hit this little green back up arrow. We come across to our content library. In the content library, you will find for most of your subjects that this is where your weekly lessons are. Okay, so in this case, we've got week 1, lesson 1, 2, and 3. And then the same for week 2. If we go back to week 1, we have a look down here, you'll see there's an activity in here. So you might like to complete that in your pages. To do that, we would need to go back up, and head into the tab with your name. Now in your teacher's version, they would be able to see every student in the class's name so that they can have a look and see what you're up to in here, see what work that you've submitted for them. In this case, Mr. Campbell has created some tabs for you. So handouts, Unit 1 and Unit 2. So depending on what it is you're working in, you might like to come into Unit 1 for instance. And if we have a quick look back at what our topic was, so we are going to compare data using back-to-back stem and leaf plots. So in my space, so that I know what I'm working on, I'm going to put stem and leaf plots. And then I can just double click here and I can start doing my work for Mr. Campbell to see. And that's a very quick tour of OneNote for students in the class notebook environment.